So good afternoon, good evening to you guys. So I want you to learn what we discussed about today about subtracting numbers. So I do this one na lang para pag-anan. Okay, now in subtracting number dyan, you need to align it on its specific place value. Just like for example, we have 3, 2, 2. Okay, we are going to align it on a specific place value. Just like sa ginhimo ng isang addition, you need to put a barrier in order for you na to identify na partner na sila sa pag-subtract. Like for example, we have 1, 1, 1. So, now we are going to put a line on it. So, this one. Para it's easy for us to understand. Hey, oops, sorry. Now, how to subtract this one? So, because since it is small number lang siya, mga not bigger number, yeah, you are going to use your hands. Like for example, 2. 2, i-close mo ang one finger, the remaining will be 1. Or you can use this strategy, 1, 2. Butangan mo X ang isa in order for you to identify the answer, and this X not included. So that's why what you are going to do is you count the remaining na wala sa X. So now, ang remaining na wala sa X is only 1. So that's why 1 diri, and they are the same, so 1 man diri. Now, how about 3? 3 minus 1. So you are going to make bagis-bagis. Okay. Now, you are going to put an X sa isa. May 1 lang ang pinapakita. Oh, nakata X. So it means it is not included. So pila na lang remaining? You count. 1, 2. So that's why only 2 ang nag-in. Next, another one. Let's erase this one. We have 44, 5, 2. Okay, we have 3, 2, 1. Put minus sign. Now, put a line or a barrier. Remember? You need to what? You need to put a line or line of a specific place value so that it's easy for you to get the answer. Okay, here. 9. Now, 2 minus 1. Share your 2 fingers. 2, close the 1 fingers or do the strategy. Minus the, put an X sa isa ka bagis. Remaining is only 1. So that's why you put 1 here. Okay, next. 5 minus 2. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, cross the or X the 2 naging bagis mo. So it means it is not included. Now, you count ang wala X. 1, 2, 3. So, only 3 ang na-delete. Now, how about this one? 4 minus 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you are going to X3 naging bagis mo, X. The remaining is 1. Or you do like this. 4, 4, close the 3 fingers. The remaining is 1. Now, another one. To master. 3, 4, you're going, so, di ba, naka-align na sila. What you're going to do, you put a barrier in order for you to identify nga partner na sila. Amon ang imo nga subtract. Okay. Align it on its specific place value. Okay, this one. What you're going to do here? 9 minus 8. Okay, 9 minus 8. Okay, you do like this or show your 9 fingers. 9 fingers. Close the 8 fingers. Ang 8 fingers. Close ang 8. So close ang 8 fingers. The remaining is 1. Oh, or you do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. O, i-cross mo ang 8 kabilog na ginpatis. I-cross mo. 8 means it is not included. Okay? Now, pila ang nabilin? Only 1. Put the 1. Another. 4 minus 3. Okay, show your 4 fingers. Show your 4 fingers. Minus 3 fingers. O close the 3 fingers. O close the 3 fingers. The remaining is 1 fingers. Okay, or you do this strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4. O, X the 3 na ginbagis mo. It means it is not included. Oh, anong included? Ang wala sing circle or sing crosswise. So, only 1 ang napili. Now, 3 minus 2. Now, show your 3 fingers and close the 2 fingers. Close the 2 fingers. Ang nabilin is only 1 fingers. Okay. Now, master this one. It's time for you to answer and to master. We have this problem. 4. Solve this one. You are going to put a barrier. Sir, it means it is aligned on its specific place value. Okay, now solve this one. This question. Okay, so now let's proceed to borrow. Okay, in borrow, so smaller number above, you need to borrow sa what? Sa neighbor or sa next number. But bigger number above, you need to subtract it directly if the number below is smaller than the number above. Okay, just like for example this one. 4, 6, 8 minus 3, 4, 9. So, same. We are going to put a 9. 9. Okay. Now, 8 minus 9 cannot be, or smaller number above cannot be. So that's why we are going to borrow to the next number. So cancel the 6, and the 6 will become 5. Okay, 6 will become 5, and the 8 will become 18. Okay, now we can subtract 18 minus 9. Okay, how to get the answer? Rule. Below number, put it on your mind or in your brain. And then count until you can reach the number above. Just like for example, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we already reached the number above, which is number 18. So now, again, put the number below on your mind and continue counting using on your hand to reach the number above. Okay, like for example this one, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, what you're going to do? You are going to count how many fingers you use to reach the number above. Okay, how many fingers you use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, is 9. Okay. Next, 5 minus 4. So we can subtract. 5 minus, show your 5 fingers. And close the 4 fingers. Okay, next rule, in subtracting, smaller number or above number, show it to your fingers. But below numbers, you need to close it. Okay, we have 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, 4 minus 3. Oh, close the 3 fingers. Show your 4 fingers, then close the 3 fingers. The remaining is 1. Another example. We have 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, 8 minus 9 cannot be minus it. We cannot subtract it. That's why we are going to borrow to the next number. But first, we are going to put a line on it. 8 minus 9 cannot be. Borrow. 7 will become 6. And 8 will become 18. All the same. Put the number below on your mind and count. Continue counting to reach the number above. Okay, our number above is 18. So we're going to reach it using our hands. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, how many fingers we use to reach the number above? We have, you count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have 9 fingers. Okay, the 9 fingers. Now, 6 minus 8 cannot be. That's why we need to borrow again to the next number. 6 will become 5. And 6 will become here, will become 16. Now, 16 minus 8. So again, below numbers, put it on your mind. Now, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many fingers we use? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 fingers. Or you can do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, i-X mo ang 8 na ginabagis mo. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross mo. Okay, how many numbers remaining? You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 ang ulit. So, what is the rule? Number without partner. Number without partner, you are going to bring down. Bring down mo lang si 5. Okay, understood? You need to master this one. Now let's continue for our Kamalayan. That's the set. Kamalayan. Okay, Kamalayan. So we discussed about likas na yaman. So we discussed about likas na yaman. Okay, we discussed about likas na yaman. So, ang likas na yaman ay makikita natin sa mga paligid, sa ating paligid. At meron tayo yung 5 uri ng likas na yaman. Yamang gubat, yamang tubig, yamang mineral, at yamang lupa, at apat lang pala. Yamang tubig, yamang gubat, yamang lupa, yamang mineral. So we have 4. So what you are going to do here? Discuss the next picture bago tagaan ka activity. Okay. First is yamang lupa. So sa yamang lupa, ang produkto sa yamang lupa like bigas, palay, prutas. Yun ay nabibilang sa yamang lupa. Daan, prutas, gulay, bigas, palay, yun ay nabibilang sa yamang lupa. Yamang tubig, isda, seaweeds, squid, mga karagatan. Okay, yun ay halimbawa o nabibilang sa tinatawag nating yamang tubig. Now, yamang gubat. Ano naman ang nabibilang sa yamang gubat? Ang nabibilang sa yamang gubat ay mga malalaking puno, mga kahoy. Okay, let's draw a tree. Okay, tree. Okay, ito ay nabibilang sa what? Sa gubat. Next, mga snake. Okay, snake. Ito ay nabibilang sa gubat. Mga tiger. Ito ay nabibilang sa gubat at iba pang mga hayop. Nabibilang doon sa gubat. Okay, next. How about yamang mineral? Do you know what is gold? Gold. So, yun ay gold, copper. Yun ay nabibilang sa yamang mineral. So far, tandaan mo lang na ang Pilipinas ay pinagyaman ng mga likas na yaman. We have four likas na yaman. Yamang gubat, yamang tubig, yamang mineral, at yamang lupa. Ang yamang lupa, halimbawa, bigas, gulay, fruit,